3, 2, 1.
You're watching
TKO Takeover.
We are here to help you with your everyday needs.
Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to watch replays of your recent games in Marvel Rivals. To begin, navigate to the top right corner of the home screen and select your profile icon or level. From here, head to the History tab where you'll see a list of your recent matches. Choose the game you want to review, scroll down to the play icon and click it to start the replay. If you'd like to save it for later, you can click the star icon to mark it as a favorite. Once the replay starts, you can fast forward by pressing R2 or adjust the speed using L1 to slow down or R1 to speed up. To change the point of view, press the R3 button, which also allows you to free roam around the map, a fantastic feature that many games lack nowadays. If the interface gets in the way, press up on the D-pad to hide it. Switching between players is simple and intuitive, giving you full control over how you watch the replay. This robust replay system is a great way to analyze your performance, learn from mistakes, or simply relive your best moments. Hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, give it a big thumbs up. Aside from more Marvel Rivals tips,